numeral 5, once known as juxtaposition. You've walked through fields of lilies in the tall grass where the deer ran with all their animal grace, and stopped to see their thicket home where they dream their nightly visions of fresh young tree sprouts. Some might say it is a vast disgrace to have known the ins and outs of Brother Whitetail while through a soot-covered window in a frame with neglected cracked paint, some child watches a consumptive gray and purple pigeon roost in that suit on the sill and then fall to its knees with its neck flopping limply to the side while its burly little rib cage collapses out its last breath.